brand or companies do you wish to work with? Post it in the comments below. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, and today we are doing a Q&A Friday. As a digital influencer, one of the goals is to get brand deals and sponsorships. I wish to get brands to sponsor my content, sponsor whatever I am creating. So I get this question asked very frequently: how to attract brands and sponsors? How to get sponsored with just a very small YouTube channel? The good news is I've already gotten several sponsors so far, and I only have a very small YouTube channel which is only less than 500 subscribers. So I'm sharing with you today how I attract sponsors, and I will be giving you 5 tips on how to get sponsored. I've had some success using these tips, and I did not reach for any brands at all. What is sponsorships? So there are 3 types of sponsorships. The first one is the product sponsorships. For product sponsorship, a brand will send you free products, or we call it the PR packages. Some brands require you to do a post or a review of the product they have sent to you. This way is a very good start to build your portfolio. So the second type of sponsorship are the paid sponsorship. The brand pays you to talk about them and their products. So the third type of sponsorship is the affiliate sponsorship. The brand will provide you with affiliate codes or links, and you help them to share this affiliate link, and in turn you get some kickbacks for referring the affiliate links. So now the 5 tips on how to get sponsored. Tip number 1, create quality content. This is a very good way to prep your channel for the brands to see. So do upload quality content consistently. Your potential sponsors will browse through your work. Tip number 2, focus on a dedicated niche. I have recently rebranded my channel after attended an influencer course, and I started to get more sponsors. Why? Because right now my content is more focused on one topic, which is mom life. I am effectively building a brand in this niche. Sponsors like to look for influencers with a personal branding. Tip number 3 and 4 are related, and that is post your content on Instagram. Upload a nice picture or even a video trailer of your specific YouTube video. Beautiful pictures and also nice videos attract sponsors. So recently I've gotten a sponsor on a video that I've made regarding Mother's Day. So this company saw my video trailer on my Instagram and contacted me because that is in line with their campaign, which is the Mother's Day campaign, and that's how I got my recent sponsor. For tip number 4, and it is also related to Instagram, that is put relevant hashtags. This is very important, and I would say that it is the most important tip that I have, that I think that is most effective, because that is how the brand search for you. Imagine you are the company, and how do you look for influencers? There are so many influencers out there. So you need to do a search, right? How they do is they will search for hashtags influencer, and the best thing is if you can hashtag influencer with your country. For example, for me, I often put in my Instagram hashtag influencer SG, which is Singapore. That's where I'm staying right now. And the next frequently used hashtag I use is something that is related to my channel, which is Mummy. So I will hashtag Mummy Influencer, and that's how the brands come and look for me. And now to the last tip, tip number 5. Leave your business email on every video description as well as about you page on your YouTube. This shows that you would love to receive business inquiries. And of course, for your Instagram profile, you need to state DM, which stands for direct message, for collaboration. To show brands that you welcome collaboration, I often receive private messages from brands who are keen to collaborate with me. So all this, I did not reach out to any of the brands. So they come and private message me and direct message me and see if I would love to take on the job. For example, recently I've gotten another sponsor due to my frequent posts on my keto diet. So there's a company that approached me and request me to post on Instagram. So it's very simple job. The most important is get yourself exposed to the brands and attract the sponsors. So I hope today's Q&A is helpful to you, and I hope that you apply these tips if you are a digital influencer, and let me know if it works for you. I've started this journey just last year and I've gotten very good results after I've attended this influencer academy. As long as you understand how this industry works, if you are keen to join this industry, it is not difficult at all. I will leave a link down in the comments below on the course that I took, which completely turned me around, and I am able to position myself as a digital influencer and be well exposed to all the sponsors and the companies out there. And I hope that all of you can grow with me together, and I hope that this video is able to help you in every way to grow as an influencer and as a YouTuber. So please do leave your questions in the comments below for me. I read each and every comment and I will try my best to answer all of them as soon as possible. I will give you the best answer that I have for you. Please share this video and do give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed my video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you will be notified every time a new video is out. I will see you on my next one. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.